Hello and welcome. I'm Daniela, and this is Affiliate Marketing for Beginners. And I would like to start with telling a little bit what affiliate marketing is. So, affiliate marketing is when you are promoting the product that somebody else has built or are shipping out or anything like that, and you take a percentage of what that person is making. Or it can also be that you're taking a lump sum. They decided that for every sell that they get because of you, you will get $100, for example. Or if they sell something for $500, they can say you get 20% of this sale, or you get 40%, or some even say 75%. It's totally different depending on the product. And if it's a product that's real in the world, like you go out in the world and you can touch this product, you usually earn a lot less percentages on those projects just because they need shipping, they need a place where they can be stored, so store place and shipping, and they have a lot of surrounding costs. So the people that sell these things can't afford to give out really, really high affiliate percentages to the people helping them sell them. But if you are an affiliate for a program that is online and what the person is selling is a course, or it's something that doesn't need to get stored, doesn't need to get shipped or anything, then the percentages of what that person will pay you can be a lot higher. So usually for things like that, the percentage goes between like 20% to 75%, while I'd say that when it's things in stores, it's a lot lower. It can be like 8%, 6%. So it's up to you. When you decide the niche, you have to take in consideration all these things that are surrounding the niche that you're deciding. But I don't think you should decide only because you want to make thousands of dollars and I just want to be rich or whatever. Because if you're going to be an affiliate market, you have to think about it long term. This is something you're going to do for a long while, and many people don't start earning affiliate commissions um, until it's gone a while, because there are some things you need in order to start earning these commissions. And one of the things that you need is a following. You need to build an audience, the people that are gonna actually buy your product. If you don't have an audience, you can't say that, oh yeah, I'm gonna make a lot of money, because you need to have that audience. Let's say if you have 1,000 people that listens to you every time you send something out, then those thousand people are the 1,000 people that are going to be able to buy your product. So you need to have a following, and the larger your following is, the easier it is to get commissions, because you have more, like I said, it's like you just have more opportunities for people to buy it. It's like if you sell one thing to one person, or if you sell it to 10 people, the opportunity is 1 versus 10. So that is something that's important to start building, and that takes time to build, because you need to create good content. If you create the like content that's people aren't really interested in, you're not going to build a following. So you need to have good content, and you need to have people that are interested in what you're going to say. And if you suggest something, you want them to want to buy the things that you suggest, because what you're suggesting will actually give these people value. So what you're giving these people has value to them, and that's why they're buying. So they're not just gonna buy something and get rid of it as soon as possible, because they bought something that they wanted because they think that this has value to them. So that's some of the things that are very important when you start up with affiliate marketing, to think that you're going to do this long term, and you're going to build an audience, and you're also going to have do things that brings value to other people. So when you have figured out that you need to do all these things, you can also figure out that you need to have a niche. And this is where it gets fun, because the niche you get to decide. And the internet is huge. If you're going to do it on the internet, you can do it over many things, but most people do it over internet. Um, the internet is huge, and just take your time to decide what. If I would gonna choose a niche for me, I would figure out what am I interested in. And for example, if you're interested in making money, if that is your interest, good. Then you can start building something around making money. If your interest is cars, you can start building something around cars and see what affiliate products you'll be able to promote with when it has to do with cars. And also just just take a internal perspective of it, because you will spend a lot of time doing research in the field that you have chosen, and you will spend a lot of time just doing work around this niche. So choose something that interests you, because if you're not interested, you're not how are you going to bring people? It's not gonna bring any people. If you don't have an interest for something, then you can't bring in other people um, to the niche that you have chosen. So that's what I would suggest. And when you have chosen your niche, you can start looking around for products you actually want to promote. And products you can find also during the road, but you want to have some products to begin with, because when you get going, you want to promote, maybe you want to make a review about the products that you've chosen. And so you create a website, and uh, you do a review about the products, and then people read your review, and if it's and you tell them to buy it, or if you think it's a good product, or if it's not a good product, then you can invite them to buy another product that you feel is better for them. So you always have to give them the value product. If you think that this product that you did a review on is actually not a product that you would want to buy yourself, or that you would want other people to buy, then maybe it's not the best product for you to promote, because you don't value this product yourself. I mean, it could be valuable if it's a product that's for like for someone with a larger business or something like, then you can say, oh, this product is for this kind of people. But if you want to focus on people that are like yourself, or don't have a lot of money, it's all in your niche. Who are you focusing on? Who is your target group? So you need to find the value for those people, and need to see that you are actually promoting something that will bring them value. And if you have any more questions about this subject, take them below, because I thought we were gonna end the first lesson around here. And I want you to take all that I've said into consideration before you go on to the next lesson, and actually decide these things for yourself, like what niche you're gonna have, and start looking up some products that you want to promote, so that when you come to the next lesson, you're ready for the next step. Okay, good luck. Bye bye.